Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Android apps on PC. It's simple and easy, just watch the video till the end. So first, some of the Android apps can be easily used in PC. You just need to download it in Chrome. But when you want other apps, especially game, you need to download an emulator first. So that's I'm going to teach you. So let's open our Chrome. By the way, parts of this video were cut to reduce the time. If I don't cut some of the process, especially the download process, this video would take 10 to 15 minutes. So let's move on. Go to the search bar and type BlueStacks. Then click the icon. You need to download the BlueStacks Play games on PC and Mac, not the other way around. Then click the download button. Then after that, check your download in the top right corner. Then click it. When this section shows up, click Update. Then click I agree. Then just wait until it's finished. Now we're done in the first part. Just close the tabs. This is the home page of the emulator. You can browse for apps and games by scrolling down or search in the search bar. I'll just have to choose this game for example. Most of the games has the same download process, so let's move on. Click Install from Google Play. Then click it again. Click Sign In. Then just follow the process. Basically, it's the same process as logging in Gmail. So here, scroll down and click I accept. Then here, if you put your Gmail here and it says the account is already exists in this device, it's saying that it's good to go and the game is ready to install. Just close the tab, click Install, and click Install again. And now the game is ready to play. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up and don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.